Hi guys, today we're going to make some moon sand. It's like slime and Play-Doh mixed together. So first I'm going to show you what you need and then I'll show you how to make it. So you're going to need a half a cup, a whole cup, some conditioner, some cornstarch, food coloring if you want, a bowl to mix in, a mixing spoon, and I use a scooper to help me get the cornstarch out. So first you're gonna need a full cup of cornstarch. Pat it down nice and good. Put that in your bowl. Whoop. And then you're gonna need the half cup, so that's the smaller one, of conditioner. And mix that in. You could use your spoon to help scoop it out. And then you're gonna mix it nice and good. You gotta be careful though, it's gonna splash everywhere. Sometimes if it's too sticky, you're gonna have to add just a little bit more cornstarch. When it's all done, it's gonna kind of look like frosting. Then you pick the color that you want. I'm gonna pick blue. A few drops of that. At this point, you could scoop it out and mix it with your hands. And there you have it, your moon sand. So you could use this moon sand to roll in your hands, to form it. You could stretch it out. You could even use it to roll it and make it into your name. You could do lots of different things, and when you're done, you could just store it in a plastic container like we do at school. And if it ever gets too sticky, you could always ask your mom and dad to help you by adding more cornstarch. Okay guys, I hope you have fun. Bye.